In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Microsoft Teams. If your inbox keeps filling up with reminders about messages you've already seen in Teams, this quick change will help. We're going to stop those missed activity emails so you can keep your focus inside Teams without duplicate alerts. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Give it a moment to load your chats, teams, and channels so everything is up to date. You don't need to change anything else on the home screen. We're heading straight to your personal settings. Now, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. If you haven't set a photo, you'll see your initials instead. This menu is where you manage your account and preferences. From that menu, click Settings. This opens a window or panel with all of your personal controls. Think of it as your central hub for how Teams behaves for you. Next, select Notifications and Activity. This section controls how and when Teams alerts you, including the emails it sends if you miss something. Adjusting this area won't change what your teammates see. It only affects your own alerts. Scroll until you find Missed Activity Emails. This is the specific setting that tells Teams whether to send you a summary email when you're away or not actively checking the app. It only applies to email, not to the in-app banners or the notification badges you see on the Teams icon. Click the drop-down menu next to Missed Activity Emails. You'll see choices that determine how often Teams emails you about missed items. If you prefer to keep everything inside the app and avoid duplicate noise in your inbox, you'll want to choose the option that stops those messages entirely. Select Off. The change takes effect right away. From now on, Teams will no longer email you summaries of missed activity. You'll still get your usual notifications within Teams. Your activity feed will continue to collect mentions and replies, and any mobile or desktop alerts you already use will keep working. This keeps your attention in one place without sacrificing awareness. If your organization manages certain settings, you might notice some options are locked. In that case, this choice could be limited by your administrator. Otherwise, you can come back here anytime and pick a different frequency if you decide you want email summaries again. That's it. Your inbox just got a little calmer. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Teams experience.